My child, my beloved, stay with me. Do not allow your attention to wander now, because what is being released in this moment is not ordinary. This is not just words. This is alignment. This is correction. This is a divine interruption sent specifically for you. Yes, you. The one who almost kept scrolling, the one who has been feeling tired without explanation, the one who has been asking quietly, why is everything taking so long? Heaven has heard you, and I, Michael, stand as a witness before the throne, declaring to you the delay you experienced was not denial, it was protection. The doors that did not open were not failures, they were shields. The people who walked away were not losses, they were removals. The records are clear. There were paths you could have taken that would have drained you. There were opportunities that looked bright but carried hidden weight. There were connections that smiled at you but carried quiet envy within them. But the Lord, in His mercy, stepped in before you even understood the danger. So do not grieve what left. Do not chase what was removed. Do not question what was blocked, because what is coming is clean. My child, my beloved, you are entering a season where confusion will be replaced with clarity, where heaviness will be replaced with peace, where striving will be replaced with flow. But you must stay aligned. Listen carefully. There has been spiritual warfare around your focus, small distractions, endless thoughts, sudden doubts, waves of overthinking that arrive without warning. This was not random. This was resistance trying to keep you from stepping into what has already been prepared for you. But it breaks now. Yes, it breaks now. Every unseen force assigned to delay you is losing its hold. Every voice that whispered, "You are not ready," is being silenced. Every cycle that kept repeating is coming to an end. You are not stuck. You were being positioned. Let that settle in your spirit. You were being positioned. My child, you must not ignore this moment. When heaven calls, there is always a response required, and your response is simple but powerful. Open your heart fully. Receive this message without resistance and take a step of obedience. If your heart feels this stirring, if something inside you is saying, "This is for me," then do not hesitate. Subscribe, stay connected, remain in this space of alignment, because obedience in small actions unlocks greater doors. Yes, even this is a key. The enemy wants you distracted. The enemy wants you passive. The enemy wants you to treat this moment like every other moment. But this is not every other moment. This is a divine turning point. Something is shifting around your name. Something is being signed in the unseen. Something that was held back is now being released with your name attached to it. The records are clear. Your prayers were not ignored. Your tears were not wasted. Your waiting was not empty. Everything has been counted, and now restoration begins. Stay with me, my beloved, because what is about to be revealed next will uncover what has been hidden around you and what must never follow you into your next season.